Hello students of class 9th, I am Prabha. In my previous video of the story of village Palampur part 3, I had discussed about land sustainability, land distribution among the farmers, types of farmers on the basis of agricultural land and labor available for farming. In this video, part 4 of the story of the village Palampur, I am going to explain about importance of electricity in farming, importance of increased irrigated agricultural land, farm laborers and condition of farm laborers. Let me explain one by one. The first topic is importance of electricity in farming. The importance of electricity in farming are as transform the system of irrigation. Electricity transformed the system of irrigation in villages. It is used in electric run tube wells which is used in irrigation. Reduce dependency on rainfall. Electricity reduced dependency of the farmers upon rainfall and increased the area of irrigated land as they can use electric run tube well for irrigation in case of less rainfall or no rainfall. Improved in irrigation. Electricity improved irrigation which allowed farmers to grow different crops in a year and produce the maximum possible output. And now you understand how electricity helps in farming. The next topic is importance of increased irrigated agricultural land. Students, importance of increased irrigated agricultural land are as first, reduced dependency of farming upon rain. A large portion of the cultivable land in India is not well irrigated and it dependent entirely upon rains. It reduces dependency of farming upon rain and save farmers. Next, reduce the failure of crops. Due to increase of irrigated land, chances of failure of crops reduced which arise due to late rainfall or inadequate rain. Next is produce greater output. A well irrigated agricultural land produce greater output. So it is important for the entire cultivable land of the country to be brought under the protective shield of proper irrigation facilities. Next is provides a sense of stability to the farmers. Failure of rain means failure of crops and a total waste of efforts and resources both for the individual farmer and for the economy. Due to increase in irrigated area, the constant availability of water for irrigation provides a sense of stability to the farmers. And the last is practice of new farming method. Due to increased in irrigated land and a farmer encouraged to practice new farming method and patterns to maximize the productivity from his land. My next topic is farm laborers. The members of landless families or families cultivating small plots of land who work in the field of medium and large farmers and do not have a right over the crops grown on the land are called farm laborers. In picture you can see conversation between two farm laborers Dala and Ramkali. On the basis of their conversation, the condition of farm laborers are as first is work on daily wages. Farm laborers work on daily wages. It means they get remuneration only for those days on which they do work. Next, paid less than minimum wages. Agricultural work are not available to farm laborers for whole year, and there is a heavy competition for work among them. So they agree to work for lower wages and get less than minimum wages. Next is variation in the duration of employment. There is a wide variation in the duration of employment of farm laborers. A farm laborer may be employed on the basis of daily wages or for the one particular farm activity. The next, migrate to town and cities. Due to heavy competition for work and low wages, a number of people migrate to town and cities for their employment. And the last is suffering from financial burden. Agricultural work is not available for farm laborers for whole year. When no work is available for them, they take loan from local money lender who charges a high interest rate, and they suffer from financial burden. Student, the condition of farm laborers is not good due to unequal distribution of agricultural land. Remaining topic of this chapter will continue in next video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for latest updates. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment section of this channel. Thank you, student.